Thank you for joining us. We are Jet Fueled Media. We are looking forward to this 2021 airshow season, and we're excited to announce that we'll be recording at 7 locations, within a 400-mile radius of Cleveland, Ohio. We have scheduled to visit the Mid-Atlantic World War II weekend, in Reading, Pennsylvania. Battle Creek Field of Flight Airshow, in Battle Creek, Michigan. Center Point Energy Dayton Airshow, in Dayton, Ohio. The National Warplane Museum Geneseo Airshow, in Geneseo, New York. Thunder over Michigan, in Ypsilanti, Michigan. The Cleveland National Airshow, in Cleveland, Ohio. And the Props and Pistons Festival, in Akron, Ohio. Please join us on our social media pages: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram for airshow highlights and performance videos. Also, you can visit our website for more content at jetfueledmedia.com. Thank you again for joining us, and we will look forward to bringing the men and women performers and military personnel to you.